You've definitely experienced this moment. You open the game and you wait and wait and wait. Loading screens have become tiresome, and the reason is usually not your computer's power, but rather the traffic congestion inside your PC. Back in the day, a regular hard drive, HDD, was enough, but today, games are huge. When you put a heavy game on your HDD, it's like trying to thread an elephant through the eye of a needle. Data lags, the game freezes, and even the map loads slowly. This is where the DirectStorage feature in Windows 11 comes in. In short, it's a fast track that connects the hard drive directly to the graphics card. Instead of data wasting time on a long journey and straining the processor, it goes straight to its destination. The result? Instant loading, no more loading screens, and phenomenal gaming performance. So, how do you know if your computer supports this feature? It's very easy. Press the Windows plus G keys on your keyboard. Go to Settings. Select Gaming Features. When you go to the Gaming Features menu, Windows won't just give you a yes or no answer, it will provide a detailed breakdown. First, it will tell you if your graphics card supports DirectX 12 Ultimate. This is crucial because older cards don't understand DirectStorage. Second, and this is the most important point, it will show you the drive type. If it says NVMe SSD with the word supported next to it, you're good to go. But if it's an HDD, you'll see that Windows says not optimized or not supported. So it's always best to move demanding games and open world environments to an SSD, even if its capacity is limited. The first reason, data streaming. Games like Wuthering Waves or Cyberpunk don't load the game in one go. They stream the data as you move around the map. On an HDD, the drive has to spin at a considerable speed to retrieve the data, which can cause stuttering or sudden lag, even if your computer is powerful. The second reason, asset loading. Sometimes you launch a game and find buildings distorted or trees popping up unexpectedly. This means your HDD isn't sending images to your graphics card in a timely manner. If you don't have an SSD and all your games are on the HDD, my advice is simple. You absolutely must buy one and upgrade your system. It's not just a luxury, it's the most important upgrade you can make to your system in 2026 to truly feel the difference in speed. If you have an SSD, but its capacity is limited, here's the secret. You must choose your heavy, large games, like open-world games, and transfer them to it. This transfer alone will completely transform your experience, both in terms of loading speed and gameplay smoothness. For example, my SSD is only 250 gigabytes, and unfortunately, it's full of system files, video editing software, and other things, to the point that I can't even install a large game on it right now. Try these steps and see the difference in speed. If you like the explanation, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.